2025 has taken drone technology to unbelievable new heights. From compact beginner models to jaw-dropping aerial machines used by professionals, these drones push the limits of what's possible. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best drones of 2025. From budget-friendly flyers to elite, cutting-edge beasts that redefine the skies. Stick around, because number 1 is absolutely insane. At number 10, the Potensic Atom 4K proves you don't need to spend thousands to get stunning footage. This lightweight, foldable drone packs a crisp 4K camera, stable GPS positioning, and intelligent flight mode, all in a compact body that easily fits in your backpack. It's perfect for beginners and travelers who want cinematic shots without breaking the bank. Smooth, stable, and incredibly fun to fly. This is the entry-level drone that punches way above its price. And with a price tag between just $200 to $300, it's one of the best budget drones you can get in 2025. Would you start your drone journey with this one? Number 9 is a beast made for adrenaline seekers. The DJI Avata 2 brings FPV flying to the next level, with a tighter, more responsive flight experience and upgraded safety features. Designed for immersive goggles-based control, it lets you slice through the air like you're inside a sci-fi movie. With ultra-low latency streaming and upgraded stabilization, it's the ultimate drone for action junkies and creators who want shots that feel alive. And with a price range between $800 to $900, this powerhouse is built for those who want premium performance without going overboard. Sitting at number 8, the DJI Air 3S is where performance meets portability. It offers a dual camera system with wide and telephoto lenses, giving creators incredible versatility in a lightweight package. With longer flight times, powerful obstacle avoidance, and next-gen tracking, this drone gives you pro-level shots without the bulk of a professional rig. It's a favorite among solo creators who want flexibility and cinematic power on the go. And with a price tag of around $1,099, it delivers premium features at a sweet mid-range price point. Number 7 brings us the DJI Mini 3 Basic, a compact drone that has exploded in popularity. It's light enough to fly without heavy regulations in many countries. Yet it delivers gorgeous 4K HDR video, wind resistance, and intelligent flight features that make it incredibly easy to use. Whether you're filming travel vlogs or just starting your drone journey, this little flyer delivers professional results with zero hassle. And with a price range between $450 and $500, it's one of the best value drones you can get in 2025. Imagine throwing it in your backpack, unfolding it in seconds, and capturing cinematic shots wherever you go. It's lightweight, reliable, and built to turn everyday adventures into stunning memories, all without complicated setups or bulky gear. Number 6 is one of the most fun drones to fly this year. The DJI Flip brings a fresh design with a unique folding frame and insane agility in the air. It's fast, nimble, and capable of executing flips, rolls, and maneuvers that make it perfect for creative aerial tricks. Despite its playful nature, it's equipped with advanced stabilization and solid camera quality, making it more than just a toy. It's a creativity booster in the sky. And with a price of $439, it delivers a perfect mix of fun and performance without draining your wallet. Imagine pulling off aerial stunts, capturing stunning shots, and turning every flight into a cinematic adventure. That's the power of the Flip. Cracking into the top 5, the DJI Neo Fly More combo is all about smart flying, compact and stylish. This drone is loaded with intelligent features like auto takeoff, advanced tracking, and cinematic flight modes, all controlled through an intuitive app. It's ideal for casual pilots who want easy, automated flying but still demand quality footage. The Fly More combo gives you extra batteries and accessories, extending your adventures without interruptions. And with a price range between $300 and $400, it's a smart investment for anyone who wants more flight time and more creative freedom. Number 4 might surprise you. The DJI Mini 4K is one of the most balanced drones of 2025, combining affordability, 4K Ultra HD footage, and upgraded stability features. It's light, durable, and designed for travelers and content creators who want clean shots without lugging around a big setup. Its improved wind resistance and extended flight time make it a perfect everyday drone for both beginners and experienced flyers. And with a price range between $250 to $350, it delivers incredible value for the performance you get. Now we enter elite territory. Number 3 is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the flagship that sets a new standard for aerial filmmaking. Equipped with a powerful Hasselblad camera system, advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing, and incredible dynamic range, it captures cinematic shots with breathtaking clarity. Whether you're shooting commercials, documentaries, or high-end content, the Mavic 4 Pro delivers unmatched aerial performance in a foldable, travel-friendly design, with a base price of around $2,700. This drone is built for serious creators who want nothing but the best. At number 2, the DJI Mavic 3 Thermal takes things beyond consumer filming. This is a specialized drone designed for professionals, equipped with a thermal imaging sensor, telephoto lens, and a wide-angle camera. It's used in search and rescue, industrial inspections, and environmental monitoring, but it also delivers cinematic visuals that creators love. Its ability to see heat signatures gives it capabilities that no regular drone can match, priced at around $7,365. This is a serious investment built for power, precision, and professional results. And finally, number 1, the Autel Levo Max 4T is a monster in the sky, with an incredible flight range, advanced AI obstacle avoidance, and a multi-camera payload that includes zoom, wide, thermal, and laser range finding. This drone isn't just powerful, it's revolutionary. It can fly in extreme conditions, map environments in real time, and deliver professional-grade footage that rivals full film crews. For nearly $8,999, you're getting the ultimate aerial machine, one that's built for the future. This is the king of drones in 2025, setting the bar higher than ever before. The drone world in 2025 is more exciting than ever. From budget-friendly 4K flyers to high-end AI-powered machines, these drones show just how far the skies have evolved. Which one would you take for a spin first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves futuristic tech as much as you do. The sky isn't the limit anymore, it's just the beginning.